Have you ever pondered the sheer might of a tornado, a force so potent it can obliterate entire towns in its wake? We're talking about a natural disaster that can wreak havoc on a colossal scale, causing significant damage and the loss of countless lives. These swirling vortexes of destruction pack a punch, boasting wind speeds that can exceed an astonishing 300 miles per hour. With such an immense force at play, one cannot help but wonder, what causes these devastating whirlwinds? The formation of a tornado is a complex and fascinating process, a dance of elements within our atmosphere. To understand this dance, let's start with the prerequisites: intense thunderstorms and a dramatic shift in wind direction and speed. Picture a humid, hot day, the kind where the air feels heavy and almost tangible. Suddenly the wind picks up, shifting direction and speed rapidly. This is the first act of our atmospheric ballet. Thunderstorms are the stage upon which tornadoes perform. Inside these storms, the air is in constant motion, with updrafts and downdrafts creating a vortex of circulating winds. This swirling mass of air, known as a mesocyclone, is the precursor to a tornado. The mesocyclone's updrafts pull warm, moist air upward, while downdrafts push cooler, drier air downward. This exchange of air creates a spinning effect, like water draining from a bathtub, leading to the formation of a funnel cloud. The final act of this ballet begins as the funnel cloud extends towards the ground. When it touches down, it becomes a tornado, a swirling menace of wind and debris. It's at this point the tornado starts to move, pushed by the storm's winds and fueled by the contrast between warm, moist air and cooler air. The result of this volatile dance is a tornado, an entity of such power and unpredictability that it stands as one of nature's most destructive forces. Thus, a tornado, one of nature's most destructive forces, is born from the volatile ballet of the elements. Tornadoes, while incredibly destructive, are a mesmerizing example of nature's power and complexity. In our journey through this stormy world, we've explored the fierce and awe-inspiring power of tornadoes. These natural phenomena, while fascinating, possess an alarming potential for devastation. Born from specific weather conditions and atmospheric processes, tornadoes are not simply born out of thin air. They require the perfect storm of warm, moist air clashing with cooler, dry air and a change in wind direction and speed with height, known as wind shear. This is the volatile cocktail that gives birth to these formidable funnels of fury. Remember, the strength of a tornado is not to be underestimated. From uprooting trees to flattening entire towns, their power is a grim testament to the relentless force of nature. While we cannot prevent tornadoes, understanding their formation and power is a crucial step towards effective prediction, preparation, and ultimately survival in the face of their devastating force.